Hi guys, Elledani here, and today we are going to talk about my January Allure Beauty Box, which I've had for about a week and a half now. Just didn't really have time to film this. I really love that these first and foremost come with the little magazine that kind of tell you about the products, and there's also discount codes for most of the products in this book, which I think is super cool. I'm going to start with the Akar Pure Skin Restoration. This here is normally $30 all by itself, which is, albeit a little bit more than I'm usually willing to spend on lip balm. However, it is super moisturizing. It's made with beeswax, and it's also got a really nice light citrusy smell. I've been using it for about a week now regularly, and my lips feel really nice. And it is really cold here right now. So at this point, I've had this box for a few weeks, and I have used this lip moisturizer a whole lot. And I love the texture, I love the way it smells, I love how it feels going on my lips. However, I do find that sometimes it makes my lips drier. Like if my lips are really dry and I put it on, then it makes them super dry and almost like very, very stiff and firm on the outside, like to almost where they're like tough but not soft. Almost like plastic is the best way I can really describe it. So some days it works great, and some days it almost seems like it over dries my lips. And Ragnar actually didn't like it after the first few times I used it because he actually thought so too. I didn't think so at first, but the more I use it, I do find that when my lips are super dry, it may not be the best product. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the Perfect Shine Oil Mist. It's color and heat protection and paraben free. My hair color is semi-permanent, so having color protection with the heat protection is really important to me. This stuff is normally $16 for 4 ounces, so that's really not too bad in the big picture of things. The sample here is only an ounce, so you actually get 4 times as much. I have not tried this yet, but I'll probably use this in my next hair video in general, just to tell you a little bit more about how that works. Oh, this next product is the Kate Somerville Exfoliant. In this, you get 1/4 of an ounce, so 0.25 fluid ounces. Normally, it is $75 for just an ounce of it, so that is just absolutely insane. I did try it once at this point. At first, I didn't really think it was working. You scrub it into your skin for 30 seconds, and then you leave it on for 2 minutes and wash it off. I did that after scrubbing it for 30 seconds. I wasn't real impressed. Once I let it sit and rinsed it off, it did leave my skin really nice. The texture was really nice. However, for $75 for under 2 ounces, it's probably not something I'll be adding into my regular skincare routine. I am looking for an exfoliator, but that's just a little more than I want to spend regularly. It was great to try, though. This next product that I'm going to talk about is the Vitabrid Dual Drop Serum. I had actually been looking for a good serum anyways to add to my skincare routine. This Vitabrid Dual Drop Serum delivers a powerful proprietary blend of vitamin CG and peptides to help reduce signs of aging, brighten the skin, and provide deep hydration to improve dryness and overall skin protection. I've probably been using this for about a week and a half. This is... The sample was a little over 1/3 of an ounce. You can see it's almost gone. I've been using it twice a day. My skin is absolutely incredible from this one product. I really love it. It is a little bit pricey at $62 for I think it's a 1 ounce vial. However, I kind of think that at least either there's a promotion or it may be one of those things where they charge really high prices but always have a sale running. because they're running it for about half off. If you do a subscription, you get it for, I think, 24 bucks. However, if you have the December beauty box, you actually can get them for $10, which that is an absolute steal for how wonderful this product was. I do actually have more on the way, which I'm pretty excited about because I'm absolutely in love with this serum. It's made my skin so soft and dewy even without makeup. In the video I did for this exact makeup look, you can actually see my skin in the beginning of the tutorial, and I do have good lighting. It's not the best, but it is decent lighting. Even without makeup, my skin is pretty phenomenal, and I really attribute it to this as well as the First Aid Beauty Moisturizer that I talked about in the first box, which is still a daily part of my skincare routine. So when I was researching Vitabrid, I really did think that they were cruelty-free. I saw that they were advertising a few different products on Twitter as being cruelty-free, and most of the time, if a company is not fully cruelty-free, they are not advertising certain products that are cruelty-free, only because that draws attention to the fact that, as a whole, the company is not cruelty-free, which most companies don't do. They either are or they're not, and it's not something a lot of places want to draw attention to if they're actually not. So, I thought they were a smaller company. There's not a whole lot of information available. But just based on these advertisements, I truly did think that they were cruelty-free, which that is totally my fault for not trying to look into it further. But now I am. I had actually seen somebody on a Twitter post asking if all of their products were cruelty-free or if it was just select products. Their response was that none of their finished products are tested on animals. That is very specific wording, which makes me think that their ingredients may be tested on animals or that they may test by third parties, because it doesn't specify any of that. If you want more information on animal testing and what makes a cruelty-free company, I'm going to link that video here for you. That being said, I did ask myself if they tested ingredients on animals on that post. They didn't get back to me. This was probably 2 weeks ago now. Then, a few days after that, I went through and I filled out the form on their website for contact. They have yet to get back to me at all on that, so I'm still kind of waiting. This is actually what has stopped me from putting out this video, because I was hoping to get an answer from them to give you guys an answer as to whether or not this company is truly cruelty-free. Being as my next box is going to get here any day, I really wanted to get this video out, so I did just want to put this disclaimer in here that Vitabrid is very much on the fence as far as whether they are cruelty-free or not and what their policies are. So when I figure that out, that will be a video in itself. So just keep in mind, as of right now, as much as I love this product, I don't know if I can fully advocate for it. The next product I got was this Tarte Lights Camera Action mascara, which I do like Tarte, unfortunately, because they are a parent company. Tests on animals, they can't be considered 100% cruelty-free, so I really don't spend a lot of money there. Truthfully, I have terribly tiny lashes. I wear fake eyelashes all the time because of it. Mascara is literally just to like blend that and define my lower lashes. So this, it's got a decent applicator on it. It's not huge. This I will also feature in my next makeup video and show you how this works. I already have quite a bit on today, so I don't think testing it would help us very much. Last item in this box is Renewed Hope in a Jar by Philosophy. This is the only product in the box today that isn't cruelty-free. So this product I won't be reviewing. What I decided I'm going to do with these products is, instead of promoting them or reviewing them, I'm actually going to find something similar that is cruelty-free. And I'm hoping to find those in both a low end and a higher end price point, to give you guys cruelty-free options to the items in this box that are not from cruelty-free companies. So as we go on, that's what I'm going to do for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys next month for another Allure Beauty Box unboxing.